A weary ocean traveler returns to the shores of an island paradise. For millennia, great oceanic currents have brought visiting giants to these magical shores. An island where deep-sea leviathans roam close to land. One of the greatest oceanic shows on Earth. But why are so many of these great sea creatures drawn to this island? For centuries, Sri Lanka and its hidden treasures have seduced travelers from around the globe. Enticed by tales of rare spices and ancient civilizations, Indian, Arab and European adventurers were drawn to this irresistible island. What they found was a land of extraordinary riches, of foreign gods and faith in nature. With herds of Asian giants, and creatures found nowhere else on Earth. But what they didn't know was that the real treasures of Sri Lanka can be found even before you step foot on its shore.